Britannia Master Locksmiths in Waterlooville, Hampshire, and in this short video I'm going to show you how we copy a cylinder key using the Dezmo open automatic key machine. I've already inserted the key which we need to copy into the key machine. This key machine will actually take a photograph of the key. Doing so, it will give us a better and more accurate reading of the key down to 0.06 of a millimeter. We've gone into the database as we know what key blank the key is. We need to tell the machine to decode the key. It is now taking a photograph of the key. It is then going to ask us, is that in the correct position? Yes, it is. It is now asking us to check that everything is correct, which it is. It has now decoded that key, and as you can see from the picture of the key there on the screen, the figures at the top are the actual depths of the cuts. The bigger figures are the actual depths of the cuts factory settings. So as you can see, this key is actually a little bit out, but we shall cut it back to factory settings so it will be virtually 100% spot on. We then need to continue and tell the key machine to start cutting the key. I've already placed the key blank into the jaws, so it's now going to cut the key. Then lift up the safety shield and take the key out of the key machine. Take the safety shield down, and as you can see from picture and the key are the same. This is Britannia Master Locksmiths in Waterlooville, Hampshire, with the Dezmo open automatic key machine.